Hello, today we are going to talk about all the topics of HIV and AIDS.
AIDS is caused by a virus. You may have heard of HIV and AIDS being the same thing. However, they are not quite the same. HIV stands for Human Immune Deficiency Virus. HIV is a virus that is used to describe the attack of the T cells, and AIDS is used to describe when the T cells have dropped below a certain point.
AIDS stands for a disease. There is a severe loss in your body's cellular immunity, greatly lowered in the resistance to infection. T cells coordinate system and send signals for help.
Right here we have a picture of a T cell. AIDS can be passed from person to person, like using contaminated needles, deep open mouth kissing, and can even be passed from mother to child. If the mother were to have sex with someone who had AIDS and were to get pregnant, she now has AIDS. It is very possible for the baby to have AIDS. Also, getting blood transfusion can be passed from person to person.
Some more examples are having anal or vaginal sex with someone who has HIV without using a condom, or without a person using medicine if they know they have HIV or AIDS. Try to prevent it. And oral sex, the main ways to get is through sexual contact. In this picture over there, it shows the increase if you don't use a condom, and if you use a condom, the thing decreases.
But don't get worried though. There are ways to help prevent with HIV or AIDS.
Yes, there are some ways to help prevent HIV and AIDS, like using a condom the right way. If you don't know you or your partner have HIV or AIDS, try to limit the amount of sex. Make sure you talk to your doctor about it so you can get antibiotics right away. Symptoms of HIV will start to increase.
Within a few weeks, you will start to see flu-like symptoms. For example, fever, fatigue, and sore throat.
Once HIV has progressed, the AIDS symptoms are weight loss, memory loss, depression, and red, brown, pink, purplish blotches on or under your skin, inside your mouth, eyelids, and nose.
Here we have a map of where it's most found in Africa. This disease is most common in Africa. In 2011, 33.2 million people were living with HIV.
2.5 million people became newly infected that year.
2.1 million people ended up dying from AIDS,
which maintains AIDS as the leading cause of death in Africa.
Currently in Africa, 24.7 million people were living with HIV.
This disease is both historical and current.
Well, that's all for today.
Thanks for listening.